You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to damn. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are on the way to the gym right now in Culver City. I'm gonna be taking the long way route. I'm gonna be on the freeway for the most part. This video is gonna be for the people who are interested in how the LA traffic is, especially on the freeway, and how to ride through it. This is also gonna be for my friend Jeff. If you're watching this, bro, let me know. My friend Jeff wants to get a motorcycle, and he's really interested in how the LA traffic is and how we deal with it. 101, 110, and the 10, 3 freeways, and they're all always traffic. So it's gonna be a good video. Right now, as I enter the freeway, it won't be too traffic, but in the middle of the 101 before I transfer to the 110, for sure there's gonna be traffic. When I was starting sorry guys, I got sick a couple days ago. When I got started in the motorcycle world, I was pretty scared to go on the freeway for a pretty long time, actually. I refused to go on the freeway. I would take the side streets because, I don't know, it's just something that always scared me. And then I finally went on it with my friend. And yeah, I got comfortable after that. Enter the freeway, you always gotta make sure you look over your shoulders. Can't just blindly get in. And then, yeah, I mean, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. You want to scan ahead where you want to be. There's an empty patch of the freeway right there, which I could be on it right now, but I don't need to. Now I can see it's getting congested right there. The freeway is about to start slowing down here, and that's when I start to split lanes, or lane filter, whatever you guys call it, or however it's really called. I just stay right here. If I want to split lanes, I will, but for the most part I just kind of, you know, just stay in the middle of the cars. Oh wow, surprisingly there isn't any traffic right now. Oh, there we go. That's the traffic right there. You always got to make sure you're in the right gear. I usually stay between second and third gear. And then I'm lucky that, you know, I have a pretty loud motorcycle, so the cars that are surrounding me, they kind of hear me and they move to the side a little bit. But if they don't, I just kind of, you know, I take my time. I'm patient and precise. And then always look ahead, man. Always. You always gotta be alert. You see right here, it's getting a little tight for me, and it's out of my comfort zone, so I just kind of, you know, I slow down. I don't need to go fast. And then this guy is gonna change lanes, but hopefully he can see and hear us. He looked over, I saw that. So I usually stay between 30, 35 miles per hour. I'm not going too fast. You know, as long as you get to your destination, man, you don't have to do all the fancy stuff. So this lady, I'm looking in their mirrors, by the way, and I can see if they're looking at me or not, or I can also see if they're on their phone. For the most part, yeah. just kind of cruise it right here. I go on the right speed to make sure, you know, if I'm speeding and then all of a sudden a car changes lanes, dude, I'm cutting my reaction time if I do that. You know, if I'm speeding. See, look, he's about to... Imagine I was speeding and then he switches lanes. So I'm in trouble at that point. He had his right of way, and he was also signaling. So just something you gotta really think about. The 110 is pretty dangerous, dude. So, and also I just want to say, you know, if it's gonna be your first freeway ride, dude, I say go on a freeway that you're really comfortable with. You know, I take the 101 pretty much every day, and I'm pretty comfortable being on this freeway. But, you know, on the 110, I don't take the 110 often. And so I'm not too comfortable on the 110. And plus, I know that everybody drives crazy on the 110. If you live in Los Angeles, you know that even this like transition is like dangerous enough. So you always gotta be cautious. You gotta know what you're getting yourself into. I'll show you guys. People are always speeding right here, and like the way to like switch over to the left lane is, man, there's a lot of, you know, a lot of cars crossing each other. That's the dangerous part, but I usually take the safer route right here when I take the 110. That way I'm not, you know, switching lanes right away. Man, it's a beautiful time to ride right now. The weather is cooling down. One thing that got me really comfortable is really just repeating it and like going on the freeway multiple times. Repetition, man. This guy's, see, he's watching me. That's why he was hesitating to switch lanes. I appreciate drivers like that, you know. I also have this rule, you know, if you respect the road will respect you. Especially here in California, man. West, 10 West. That was a pretty bad video because the freeway wasn't really too traffic. But hey, you know, sometimes you have a good day, sometimes you have bad days. And today we have a good day. Alright, so here as I'm reading the freeway right here, you know, it's pretty congested, not too bad, but you know, always the safest lane for us motorcyclists is always going to be the fast lane. Or I mean, I can just stay right here. This feels safe for me. But generally, you know. Alright, so here I'm chilling right here. Just chilling right here. I don't need to, you know, zoom through all these cars. I'm already going 60. I don't need to, you know. Wow, it's windy today. You know, the whole game in motorcycling is the longevity. That's really about it. You know, I'm in it for the long game, and so I try to practice safe riding every time. But you know, we're not perfect human beings. We kind of want to squeeze the throttle a little more sometimes. But hey, man, you know. Also, since we're just chilling now, I want to take the time to thank you guys for subscribing, man. 365 subscribers I saw last night, and man, that puts a smile on my face for sure. I remember when I had, what, 80 subscribers, dude? And then a few videos later, I'm at 365. Think about that. That's amazing. My road to 500 subscribers is coming soon. That's gonna be awesome. How your ride will be. Nothing too crazy like how they portray it on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, where they go fast zooming through cars. You don't need to do that, bro. Ride your own ride. Just enjoy. Sometimes you want to drop a gear, do it. But don't feel pressured by what you see online. Oh, that's my exit right there, fuck. Oh, it's coming up. That was a pretty short video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And if the homie Jeff is watching, bro, let me know. That'd be so sick. I like when the homies watch my videos. The support, man, I love it. Thank you guys. This is my favorite part. Just downshifting. Ah, that feels so good. When you guys are turning left, do you guys cut people off? I feel like, to me, dude, I'm shy to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm already almost by the gym. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you guys. Anyways, peace out.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.